Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a steak inside of an air fryer. The first thing that you'll do is want to bring the steak to room temperature. You'll pat it dry with paper towels and then rub olive oil and season it generously with salt, pepper, and any additional seasoning. The next step is a very important step. You'll want to preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees and allow it 3 to 5 minutes to do so, at least. Then after you've preheated the air fryer, it's time to cook the steak. Now what you're going to do is place the steak in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Do not overcrowd it. Cook the steak for about 8 to 12 minutes, flipping it halfway through. Adjust the time based on doneness. Now, when you're cooking this for a medium rare, it usually takes 8 to 9 minutes. For medium, 10 to 11. For medium well, 12 to 13 minutes. So know that putting it in. And after the steak is done, you'll want to remove the steak and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing to allow the juices to redistribute. Use a meat thermometer to check for accuracy. Medium rare is 135 degrees, medium 145, medium well 150 degrees Fahrenheit. For extra crispiness, lightly spray the steak with oil before cooking. I hope this has been helpful.